How to use promo code on Instacart. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel. And on today's video, we will learn how we can use promo code on Instacart. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, open up a browser, head towards instacart.com and make sure that you're signed in into your account. Once you're logged in, navigate to this menu bar on your left hand side, scroll down and then head over to account. Again, you will find this menu bar. Scroll through it, and there is this option under credits and promos that says credits, promos, and gift cards. So click on it. Now you'll be taken into this interface. To use your promo code, navigate to this add button here on the interface. Click on it. So here you have to enter your promo code. Enter the gift card or promo code right here. Then you have to click on add funds. Then the promo code or the discount amount will be added into your account. You could also use your promo code during the checkout process and next to the pricing breakdown by clicking on the add promo code or gift card during your checkout process as well. So if you have added any of your items to your cart, head over to your cart at the top right, then you can head over to the checkout process. There also you will find an option to apply your promo code. Once you redeem your promo code, promo credits will appear under your account's promo section and automatically will be applied during checkout if you meet the promo requirement. That's it. That's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more videos.